Hi, Keira from Anton here. Welcome to our Teacher Series, where we will show you everything a teacher needs to know about Anton. Today, I'm going to show you how to create your very first classroom using our groups. I'm logged in and I'm in the Subjects area, but I'm going to navigate to the Groups tab. When your account is new, this is the screen you will see. Today, we're going to create a new group, so we will go ahead and select this option. Here, I can enter my classroom name, but this name can be changed at any time. Next, I select Continue. The next screen gives me the option to find my school. For parents, you can simply select No, and for teachers, you can also select No, but this can be helpful in some instances later on, especially if your school decides to use Anton. For now, I will also choose No. The next question then asks if I would like to create this group, which I would, so I select Create. Congrats! You've now made your first group and are ready to start adding students, which we'll show you in another video. And that's it for this tutorial. Subscribe to see more step-by-step tutorial videos on how to use Anton. I hope this has been helpful. Bye!